Assalamu alaikum viewers. Happy. Today's reading is about is for zodiac Gemini and June 2020. Okay, I'm going to start my. These are my clarifiers, and I am going to start the reading. uh, they are someone precious to you from your past life coming towards you. You are going to meet someone from your past life, your friend, your grandpa, your father, or anyone, teacher. You are going to meet anyone from this card. Yes. And or you are missing someone. Yes, you are missing someone. Let's go this one. Yes, I think that something is going bad in your past with your any loved ones, and that's why you are missing them, or maybe someone is dead and you are missing them, and for others it's for someone is coming towards you. Something is changing about this situation. Yes, something is hiding in the darkness of night. Yes, something is hiding from you, or you are hiding something from world, from others, not telling anything. Yes, what is this about? Maybe you are afraid of something, that's why you are not telling others about this thing. You have done something bad to others. Maybe you lied to others and you did something bad to others, and that's why and that brought you this change. That bad thing is brought you this change, and that's why you are not telling others about this. Yes, definitely someone is not good for you, or you are not good for someone, or maybe that person that you have deceived or betrayed, or you lie to someone, and they are coming towards you now, and they are not with the good wishes. They have something in their mind for you. They are angry now. This time they are angry with you. Okay, they are not happy. They have a very bad thinking in their mind. Look at that eagle, that eagle's eye. That eagle is very angry and have something in its mind, have some aim, and very fast, very cruel. They are coming towards you. They are defending someone, or you are defending yourself from them. You have to be prepared for it. Yes, Knight of Wands clarify Knight of Wands. You have to be aware of that person. What next? In this June, you are have to be aware of some kind of danger, some kind of person that you deceive, or you spoke some lie to them, and they are coming towards you now. Uh, some something new is going to begin, or maybe you are going your money matter is going to be um, expand, or it's going to be better now. some money matter or some money matter. This is your new business you have started or something like that. Okay, what about this? Queen of Cups. Okay, the Queen of Cups and I think that you are going to begin some business with someone you love, or you are going to or someone is lucky for you. When they are in your life, when they are with you, your business matter or money matter is going to expand, is going to be in excellent mood. Now, there you are. You are, maybe you are, yes. As much as you give this matter, you are going to work on it. As much you are going to having a profit with it, gaining the profit with it. What about this? 10 of Pentacles. Yes. Happy home life, all luxuries of home, money. Yes, as much as you work hard for this money, this matter, you are going to have that much, much from it. Okay, what next? What else for Gemini in June 2020? What is happening to them? What is coming for them? Something more. Yes, you can see that there is a card of death. This is a death card, and something is going to end over here. Some kind of death is happening here. Some kind of ending and rebirthing is coming here. You can see that there is a 7 of swords here. That is the stealing cards now, and defeating card. They are deceiving someone. Someone is here is going to be lie towards to other person. If maybe it's you, or maybe it's the other person that's coming over here. Yes, someone is going to deceive someone else. For this death card, something is ending over here, going to be die, and the next thing is going to, you can see that there is something cooking over here, or is something some kind of fog or smoke coming from this cauldron, and the other hand is coming from the earth. Something is ending, something is dying, and something is going to born. Something is new starting over here. Something old is going to be end, and something new is going to start over here. Okay. Moon card. That's what is hidden over here. That new thing is going to start. It's hidden over here. You have to take rest. Don't think about it this too much. It's going to open at the perfect time, at the good time. It automatically opens to you. Yes. What is changing? What is this change? What is change? Something else. What is change? Something else. Yes, new changing, new starting. Something is new going to be start. Someone very practical, very wise, very clever, very keen. They are here. They are going to cut someone else. Yes, they are doing something here. They are very wise, they are very cunning. They have no love for others, no soft corner in their heart. Yes, they bring some change to you. They bring some change towards your life. And what else? Eight of Cups. Maybe they are leaving someone, or someone is leaving them. Some kind of change is coming here because of this person, because of this King of Swords. They are doing something. What next? Heartbroken. Yes, heartbroken. Can you see that? Someone's heart is broken over here. One's heart is over fire over here. Yes. You can see that there is a wolf crying over this situation. Someone bad is going to happen here. Maybe it's towards you. This person, who is coming towards you, they are doing something bad to you. They are going to do something bad that breaks your heart. You can see that there is a snowfall over here, and night time. At these both card is in the night time, and something is going to happen to you in the night time, or something is going to open to you at night time, which can break your heart. What is this? Someone going to leave you. Yes, definitely they are cutting you from your life, from their life, and they are going to leave you in your bad time. Or if you are having a bad time, you have no money in here, and you are not feeling well, they're going to leave you. Or maybe they are going to leave you because you have done something bad to you. It's two type of cases. If you done something bad to them, they are still leaving you. And if this is for them, they are also they are leaving you. In both scenarios, they are leaving you. They are doing something bad to you. They are breaking your heart. Okay. Yes. You are alone here. No one is for you, to cheer you up, to make you happy. You are alone here. Yes. And some change over here, it's coming for you. Yes. It's Pentacle. Yes. If you can see that there is a sign of pentagram. Yes. And it's 5 corners for spirit, fire, earth, water and air. They are here. They all are here to help you, to bring you some change, to get out of you from this condition. Okay. Trump of the spirit over matter and earthly desires. Yes, spirits are here to make you happy, to come to get you out of here. Okay. In this sad situation, from this sad situation, to attract personal gratification over spiritually used to invoke or banish forces, shield against psychic or physical danger, also as protection symbol or lucky charm. Wear it with respect. Yes, in this bad condition, in this bad period, there is spirits. There are the higher forces here over here. To help you, to make you happy, to help you get out of this condition. Yes, they are here. That's why there is this sun card over here. After that heart breaking, exactly the next card is sun card. Your life is going to be changed now. When something bad happened to anybody, they are going to change. They are having the knowledge of life. What is this? Why is this happening to me? If they are going to learn from this situation, then something better and good is happening for them. okay. And I think that you are going to learn from your previous mistakes, and whatever happened to you, and you know that what is good and what is bad. Now you are the person like son, you are son yourself. You know what is good and what is bad, what you have to do, what you are you have to leave, what you have to start now. Yes, the abundance card, number one card, success card, happiness card. Yes. What about this? Why is this for? Yes, because you are now very wise person, high priestess, alone, very wise person. She know what she have to do. She have the knowledge to do anything. Her intuitions are very high. She she is very wise person, like Athena, like the goddess of wisdom. They know what they have to do, what is good for them. You have to think yourself. You can see all over the place what is good, what is bad, who is uh, uh, who is good for you. That's all. What's next for my dear Gemini, my beautiful Gemini, in June 2020? You are going to know something. You are having some knowledge about someone or about life that make you the wiser person, the powerful person. Yes, it's going to make you a powerful person. At the bottom of the deck, you are having the card of Knight of Pentacles. That is very slow energy. That is something is coming towards you, or you are going to change step by step, day by day. Yes, that's not what is going to happen suddenly, or one at a time, or at a time suddenly happen. It's going to take a step by step. They are going to take time. This change is going to take time. Then once again, someone is going to betray you, something is going to open your eyes, someone is going to steal something from you. They are not good for you, they are doing something bad to you, towards you. Yes, you have to be you have to open your eyes from them. They are going to steal something from you. Yes. What about this? Yes, now you are seeing that you are having the knowledge with these cards, and now you are seeing over them, you are looking over them, what are they doing. You are standing up at the cliff, and having this lantern in your hand, and looking towards them. What are they doing? You are alerted at this time. Okay, that's good. Now you are alert over here. Once again, there is a Knight of Pentacles for you. You are alert, but with the passage of time, slowly. Yes, gradually you are going to alert by them. You are knowing them. What next? Oh no, they are backstabbing you. They are going to kill you. They don't want you in their life. Then they are not the good person. You can see that someone had backstabbed them. Yes. Yes. Someone is not good for you, and they are coming towards you in this June. You are going. You have to very alert, very alert. Now you are like this. Um, After that happened to you, you are going to be like this person. You're going to be wise person. This is now card number 1, and this is card number 2. You can see there's over here, this is card number 2, and this is card number 1. Okay, and you are like to you are happy to like this person. Number 1, you are wise person. You know that what you have done, you have to do, not done, you have to do. Now you are wise person, you are like a magician. You have this power to do something, or to recognize someone, anything, any danger that is coming towards you. You have the power, you have the ability. Now you are the emperor, you are magician, you are now ready for this. mm, After this, you are going to be like this person, ready for any danger, anything to come towards them. Yes, you are now wise person. Wise person. You have the power to cut someone from your life, to punish them. Yes, that's what's over here. What next? What else? For my dear Gemini in June 2020. You are still doing or thinking something over here. If maybe you are thinking about something that you have to do it or not, or may I cut them from my life, or may I take them with you. Wheel of Fortune. It's about your luck. It's about your faith. Something about your faith that you are not going forward. You are still thinking over that thing. Yes, you are juggling. You are juggling. You are not going to decide what you have to do. You are not thinking still. That's what the reason here. And it's stopping your, it's blocking your faith, it's blocking your fortune. What next? What is going to happen to them? You have to be prepared, because if you know that this reading had tell you that something is bad is going to happen to you, and now you have to be alert. Don't like this person, don't hang over here, don't hang over here. Be prepared for this cause something bad to you, towards your faith, towards your fortune, maybe towards your hard work, towards your money. Be alert now. Don't juggle over it. Don't leave this situation at your back. I can do it, I can do it. No, not like this. Think about it. Made some decision over here. What next for you? This all reading in the June, something is bad happened to you. If you don't know it or see it at the first, at the beginning of it, you can know at the end. And when it's going to be end, something has happened to you. Someone going to backstab you, betray you, anything. Now you are still protecting these things. You are still don't let them go. What is this situation? Yes, maybe you have done very hard work for this. Maybe it's your money matter, and you don't want to give someone else that easily, but you have to do it, because the other person, they are devil, they are not good for you. It's Capricorn's card. They are looking at you, they have that senses, they are planning for you to do you some bad things. Yes, maybe you are over here, you are in some kind of addiction, or you are don't thinking about these things. You are still not thinking about these things. Now you are going to know that what is going to happen to you, but you are still don't thinking about it. You can say, you are thinking that that is not the matter, that is it is going to be good, I can handle it. But this is not the that you are going to handle it. You have to work on it. someone very bad is going to, something very bad is going to happen to you. Yes, you have to be alert for it. Prepare your mind. Something happening to you. You are not thinking about it. You are thinking this is nothing. What else for Gemini? Okay. Yes, you are still not making any choice. However, you are like this person. You are changed, but you are not going to take any decision. Yes, only thinking about something. You're only thinking about your money matter, but not going to do anything. 9 of Wands. You are protecting it, but you have to do something more. Oh, what is advice for you, for them, Gemini, in June 2020? What is advice for them? What is the advice for them, Gemini, June 2020? What is the advice for Gemini? Yes, the faceless ghost and the haunted girl, ghost people. They are coming towards you. They are here. They are here now. They are not going to come towards you. They are here. They are with you. They are with you. They are going to tell you the bad things. Do this, do that. This is not good for you. You have to do this or do that. But they are not good for you. They are the dead person. They are the ghost. They are the danger for you. Don't listen to them. If you're going to listen to them, you are being dead. You're going to. They are destroying you. Don't listen to them. Don't follow them. Do what is good for you. Think by yourself, by your own self. Look with your own eyes. She is very frightened. She don't know what to do. You have to think about it. That's not a good thing. At the bottom, grumpy red fairy. Be your true self. Be in your true self. Be awakened. Awake now. There is danger for you. Go look at that thing. Look at that problem, that matter. There is something bad for you over here. Yes, that's the reading for you for now. Oh, sorry guys. That's the reading for you for today. Please like, share and subscribe my readings. I like it when you like and subscribe me, and share it with others. And I with lot of best wishes. Good luck to you. Be a wise person. Bye.